Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to review Hoopla Digital app. Hoopla Digital is a comprehensive digital media app that lets you access a huge collection of entertainment and educational content right from your device. With over 1,500,000 titles and new content added daily, it covers a wide range of formats including audiobooks, ebooks, comics, graphic novels, manga, magazines, music, movies, and TV shows. The app is designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to stream or download content for offline use, all without ads or late fees. Best of all, you don't need a subscription, just a library card from a participating library is enough to unlock millions of titles for free, making it an accessible and versatile platform for learning, entertainment, and leisure. Now let's take a look at the pros and cons. On the positive side, Hoopla Digital is free with a library card, offers a wide range of books, audiobooks, and movies, and is easy to use with offline access. On the downside, there are monthly borrowing limits, some popular titles may be missing in certain libraries, and users occasionally experience app glitches or sync issues. Now let's talk about the customer feedback. Most users appreciate the free access and variety of content, though some report occasional bugs and lost progress while reading. Overall, Hoopla Digital is a legitimate and reliable app for library-based digital content. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.